For a delightful, intimate wine tasting and tour experience, Beau Wine Tours is one of the premier luxury transportation services in Napa Valley. The company prides itself on customizing personal and unforgettable excursions for its guests.
Well, our guests today are experiencing what we call a collector's tour. And these are the type of tours we would do if someone definitely has expressed a lot of interest in buying fine wines. They definitely collect wines in their own cellar at home. And they have an interest in meeting some of the principals involved and definitely going to places where there's no one else around. It's a private experience, a one-on-one sort of thing.
The first stop on this tour is the 115-acre, invitation-only estate of Polito Walker, which offers spectacular views of vineyards along with a private tour of the property. For lunch, Beau Wine Tours arranges a food and wine pairing. Today, guests dine with the owners of Promise Wine, whose wine selections have been featured in O Magazine.
Our relationships are what takes us to that next level. Our relationships with the wineries and some of the private chefs in the valley give us access and privileges that no typical transportation or tour operator is going to be able to provide for our guests. And we really take pride in that.
Last stop, a tour and tasting at Fantasca, another exclusive winery where you can walk through a cave full of aging wines while sampling a fine Chardonnay or Cabernet. Leaving Napa Valley might be hard after an unprecedented first-class experience, but you'll have many reasons to return sooner than later. Tamika Jones, CNN.